The intake insulator is attached to your small engine between the carburetor and the cylinder. The plastic insulator prevents heat from transferring from the cylinder to the carburetor. If the carburetor was allowed to heat with the cylinder, the fuel would vaporize and the engine would stall due to vapor lock. The insulator also holds the nuts that secure the carburetor. If the screws that attach the insulator to the cylinder or the carburetor mounting screws are over-tightened, the plastic insulator could be cracked. A cracked insulator can allow extra air into the cylinder. This will cause the engine to run lean and often erratically, surging up and down. Replacing the intake insulator is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. Now remove the two screws that secure the carburetor to the engine. Now remove the screws that secure the insulator to the engine. Now we can install the new insulator. The insulator should be installed so that the small breather hole is at the bottom. I'll be careful I don't over-tighten the screws so I don't crack the insulator. I'll place the screws back through the air filter base. Now I'll thread the screws through the carburetor. I'll reinstall the gasket and resecure the carburetor to the engine. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter and the air filter cover. And now you know how to replace the intake insulator on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.